whisper. ADHD, why you steal
Hey guys.
my day?
Okay, so today I am going to be deep cleaning my living room. So I just pulled my dog's beds out. My phone was dead, so I couldn't, and I had to get it in the wash. So washing the dog's beds. Most of this mess is from our big puppy. I pick this up daily. It's like insane. I stripped my couches. I'm going to be washing the covers, vacuuming out the couches and disinfectant spray. I don't know why they always get so dang dirty like this. It's disgusting. I really wish that they would make a separate cover that goes over those that you could wash, and then they were like plastic or something. I don't know. I've seen things where people say put plastic, but I just don't like the sound of plastic. But yeah, we're gonna be doing some deep cleaning in my living room. I got dogs' beds washed. Those are cats' beds that are often just thrown there. It's total disaster. So brace yourselves. Okay, so I'm going to put these in here. I just put some incense or essential oils on some cotton balls. I'm going to put them into my vacuum because it makes your room smell great. So I'm going to start off over here, hanging up my clean blankies. I did have them sitting on the couch while I was making sure that my dogs didn't try to jump up on my couch. So I'm going to be hanging the clean blankets there. Why my son brought that down here, I have no idea. Clean pillows will be stacked here. Perfect. So yeah, small sections, definitely. So if you're cleaning or when you're cleaning, anyways, in your house, I find it is always best to try to work in definite smaller sections. I know I have all my blue blankets sitting right here out. I'm going to be getting some spring out as well. So
She's got 1,000 thoughts racing in her head, dreams so big they shake her bed. Running fast, losing track of time, got a heart that chimes like a bell on high. Days go by in a whizzing whirl, fingers tapping, she's a busy girl, chasing stars but losing sight. Every day is a new fight, but she's dancing to her own song, even when the notes go wrong. Waves of doubt can't wash away the fire in her eyes that lights the way. Every step she takes rewrites her fate, twisting paths never too late, breathing dreams in chaotic air, finding calm in the middle of the scare. Tangled thoughts, she pulls them free, crafting castles where none should be, painting skies with shaking hands, making magic no one understands. But she's dancing to her own song, even when the notes go wrong. Waves of doubt can't wash away the fire in her eyes that lights the way. Every step's into her own song, even when the notes go wrong. Waves of doubt can't wash away
just mirror these things super hard. Like, I know to turn them inside out, but I have pillowcases. You know, like they're smaller than the pillow. That's usually what I do, but every time I wash them, these things. So this is a quick, I guess you could say, blooper, because I was like trying to do these all nice and quick and they just kept getting stuck. So I washed all of my couch cushions and stuff. I actually did that yesterday. It's just then everybody came. I got the couch covers on. I forgot where I put the little like thingies that hold them in place, but that's all right. Who cares, right? It is so cold yet again. So we're finishing up this deep clean my living room. This is taking, like I said before, it can take a minute, man. Little small sections. Little small sections. Yay! Only 4 more. Only 4 more pillows. Well, maybe it's faster just to push these ones in. Usually, if you flip them inside out, it's faster. But it looks like, don't tell my husband, he said just push them in, it was faster than flipping it inside out. So I'm not going to tell him. You don't tell him. Regular pillows, it's easier just to turn them inside out. For sure. So, no judgment. We all have seen my big puppy, Nova, a Great Pyrenees pup. She's about, maybe she is 6, yeah, she's 6.5 months. Maybe she has hit 7 months. Anywho, we've paid for her to be fixed a long time ago. They said we cannot fix her until she's a year or a little older due to the fact that her leg was amputated around 14 weeks. We need to wait because it will just cause, since it's her back leg, and these dogs are prone to, Great Pyrenees are prone to hip dysplasia anyways, that we need to hold off because like the growth in the, because I guess if they fixed her now, it would stunt her stuff and it could actually cause her to get like a lot of issues. Anyways, because she came in and she smelled, and she still smells so bad. I thought she rolled in something dead, or it is the worst freaking smell I have ever smelled. And the smell was all over the house. And I was like, oh my, I gave her a bath. I scrubbed her. She smelled good for about 5 minutes. And then the smell came back and it was like all over everything, which is why I was washing everything. Yesterday, I was like, why is this? I called the vet. I was like, I don't know what the heck's going on. Is she sick? And he goes, she's probably in heat. And he goes, with bigger dogs, especially Great Pyrenees, they tend to smell. And I was like, oh my, it just smells rancid. And apparently he said the stronger the smell of her heat smell is because she's trying to attract a boy. I don't know, but it's disgusting. So I ordered dog diapers. So that's going to be fun. I'm going to try to film that. So we're going to see how these dog diapers do. But he said 3 to 4 weeks. So if anyone has any help, tips of what the heck to do, because my house does not smell very nice right now. I don't even know what to do. But anywho, end of that story. Let's get back to cleaning. All right.
Ay, ay, yeah. ADHD, why you steal my day? Running circles, never finding my way. You make the hours disappear in a blur. Time slips away without a whisper. ADHD, why you steal my day? Running circles, never finding my way. You make the hours disappear in a blur. Time slips away without a whisper. ADHD, twists and you turn. You light up my mind and let it burn. You make me late, you make me green, you make me forget the in-between. 1,000 thoughts inside my head. Plans get tangled, tasks undone. Every step I take's a loaded gun. ADHD.
Well, I hope you guys all enjoyed our time together and cleaning with me, and of course listening to some of my side stories. But anyways, definitely go ahead and leave a comment of some tasks that you did today along with me or whatever you got done, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button to get notifications about upcoming new videos. Thanks guys. Bye.